Ooh, ready, 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 Saturday morning fabrics. These are all knits. They're almost all cotton knits. So let me show them to you. And they're all $19.99. Now these are Italian cotton knits, so they're very expensive. They'll go up to $29.99, but today and tomorrow I'm going to keep them, or until they're sold, I'm going to keep them at $19.99. They're just beautiful. Tops, lightweight. I've got well, let me show you. Okay, so here we go. 100% cotton, stretch in one direction in this case. Just really beautiful, lightweight, pretty, soft, wonderful. I put in this white Pontoroma because we've got just a little bit left, but this is a white Pontoroma. It's cotton poly, but it really is mostly cotton. It has very little poly in it. Has stretch in both directions. Really nice hand, and if you notice the white, you can see there's no see-through on this at all. Beautiful piece of fabric. Love this. This is 100% cotton. Also has stretch in one direction. I want to make sure. Yeah, 100% cotton, sorry. Stretch in both directions, I'm sorry. Lovely piece again. Goes with the white, goes with the darker. We're going to go darker as we go this way. And I don't know about y'all, but I wear leggings, denim leggings, all the time, and they wear out. And it's hard to find this fabric, so this is perfect. This is like a denim-y look. It's 100% cotton though. It's from Italy. Has stretch in both directions. $19.99 is a ridiculous price. And you can see it goes with all of them. It just really blends really nicely with all of them. I mean, it's denim looking. This stripe is reversible. Both sides are usable. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. This is a viscose though. 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Beautiful piece of fabric. Great drape. And then of course this is my dark denim that comes in. This is 100% viscose. Has stretch in both directions, and you can see it pairs well with everything. Just a really nice. So this is a beautiful knit collection today. $19.99. Mostly cottons, little viscose. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.